This is a used 2009 Mazda 5 Zoom Zoom, powered by front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder engine, and a 5-speed automatic transmission. The features include Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, and auxiliary input, steering wheel controls, alloy rims, automatic climate control, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, cruise control, keyless entry, privacy glass. Safety was made a priority with these features: side airbags, second and third row head airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today. Bill Hood Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 1500 North Morrison Boulevard, Hammond, Louisiana 70401.